Hello guys, for this new video, this is your friend Sad here. So today I will show you how you can find profitable designs you can use on your print on demand journey, especially Redbubble. If you see me in the first time, my name is Sad. I run this channel uploading daily content about making money online with print on demand business. So if you're interested in this field, be sure you subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. So we all want to find ideas and designs that sold, and there is hundreds of ways we can use to find this particular designs. So today I will show you a simple one. Open Etsy.com and search depend on your niche. For example, I focus on the family niche, and we all guys know this. So I will type mom shirts. So we have these results. Click at this. It selects top customer reviews to see the most popular and sold t-shirts. So what we can do now, we search for t-shirts have a lot of favorites. I will show you what I mean. Let's choose this one. Scroll down. So this t-shirt have only 87 favorites, and that is not enough. I always choose 100. I always choose 1000 favorites and more. Let's check this one. So this one have more than 1000 favorites. It's mean 1000 users on Etsy love this t-shirt and want to buy it, and you must search entire the first page. So example, this t-shirt is not show up on the first 10 results and have more than them on the favorite. Like you see, almost 4000 favorites. So what we can do next, we just inspire from these designs and make yours similar and unique, and use the same title, but I prefer to add more keywords in the title, and also try to scale these designs at least 3 different designs that give you the ability to test more tags and upload it on Redbubble. And you can use this way on every niche you want, or just search randomly on t-shirts that have big favorite numbers. This method, guys, is unique and not a lot of people use it, so I recommend to give it a shot and test it, and I am sure you will have a lot of sales on Redbubble if you use it right. So guys, I think I will finish here. If you benefit from this video, you know what you must do. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also you can enjoy our Facebook group, the link in the description below. And yeah, stay safe guys, this is your friend Said here, and see you on the next video.